that is interfering with the camera. Then what you got to do from here, I mean, common sense will tell you just need to troubleshoot, turn one off, go back to camera, and just like each one, just troubleshoot each one of these guys. Now, if this doesn't work, we want to go to option number 4. Option number 4 is we're going to go back into settings. Let me go back here. And then once we're in settings, what we want to do is general. Click on general.
An engine. Yeah, okay, take that down. The car. Oh, okay. The car sound. I like it. Let's stop. Sure.